Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can manage trade advance in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the ledger, I will go to the add to favorite and let's create third party dealer. So let's go to the create ledger and select ledger. So here I will select third party dealer. Let's write the name and save this account. Now I will go to the accounting and journal entry and let's create one journal entry. So the company paid to the dealer as an advance. So let's say in Jainam Bank, so third party dealer will come 50,000 and Jainam Bank will come 50,000. So here you can write the narration as advance given to the third party dealer MS, and just save this entry. Once you save this entry, you can go to the business summary and dashboard and you can check now bank balance is 50,000. So if you go to the accounting and the opening balance, you can see the 1 lakh was the balance. Now 50,000 transfer to the third party dealer. Now let's create one loan. I will click to the loan and you can select vehicle loan. You can mention all the details and let's say 10,000 loan amount and 2% interest for 6 months. Now I will, so before disbursing this loan, you need to select the mode of payment. So here in a ledger, we need to go to the create ledger and here let's add the third party dealer as a bank account. So let's go to the add to favorite. So here I need to change the ledger. I will select the bank account and save. Now let's go and search the customer F-3, F-2 and click to the loan and let's enter the amount, let's say 5,000, 2% interest and for 5 months. Now mode of payment you can select here. You can see the third party dealer. So third party dealer and the mode of reference number you can write here, calculate and save. So you can see loan number 5 is created. Now if I go to the business summary, account statement, here I will select the third party dealer name and refresh. So here you can see 50,000 is the advance paid to him. Now the loan given to the Shruti for 5,000. So remaining balance is 45,000. So this type the third party dealer through we can disburse loan very easily in Jainam Software. And if I search this loan number 5, here also in a transaction, if I click here, you can see disbursement done by third party dealer. So thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube.